Hi everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to auto hide the Windows taskbar. So to do it, this is the taskbar, the one down below. Now to show you how to do this, move to the taskbar, right click on it, go to the taskbar settings. Then on your left side, you go to select the taskbar. Then you come to automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. You see that? So you turn it on. You see it's hidden. It has moved down. You can't see it no more. Close it. Let's move down and see. Move to the desktop. It is hidden. You see that? Move to the taskbar, you see it. Yeah, so that is it for today. If this video helps you, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.